Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the steps I took to paint my cabinet that beautiful black that you just saw. And in this clip my husband is just taking the cabinet doors down, and we are placing the tape on the inside and on the door, marking them with letters and numbers just so we can remember which door goes where once we're done. We also taped off things that we didn't want paint to get on, and which was the microwave. We put down plastic over the countertops and over the stove area, and we also taped off the corners near the wall and the inside of the cabinets. And now we're about to start priming. And I'm going to be doing the island, and my husband is going to be doing the cabinets because he's going to stand up on the countertop to get up top and stuff. And I'll be doing the cabinets at the bottom. Just a little teamwork. So this is the finished look of the prime after we primed it 2 times. And then we have to prime the doors, the drawers, and the cabinets. And we're gonna go prime those. So we primed everything 2 times, and then we went in with our first coat of black paint. We painted the cabinets, the island. We still have a couple of doors and drawers to paint. And our other doors and drawers that you don't see there are in our garage. It was more easier to stack all those up in there. We had more space. My husband was painting up top, like I told you guys at the beginning of the video. And we gave it 2 coats. We let the first coat dry overnight for 24 hours, and then we apply a second coat. So it just got done painting the second coat, putting the second coat on. And we're gonna let those dry for 24 hours and see if they fully dry. And yeah, I can't wait, and I'm excited for the ending results. So here's the ending result, and I'm so happy with how beautiful it turned out, and I'm so glad I chose the black painting instead of the white, especially since I have little kids. I know the white, they would have got it dirty so quick, but it's just so beautiful. It just came out so good. And I can tell you now, this project took us a week. Yeah, a week, because my husband worked through the weekday, so it took us a week, but it was very well and worth it. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.